Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. Here we are again with a new practical example of stickers in Maverick. This time we will see how easy it is to dress with stickers these 3 bathroom gel bottles. Here we have the textures we crafted in Photoshop for this project. As explained in other videos, these are nothing but regular PNG or TIFF images saved with an alpha mask. Now simply drop the textures to your model, directly from the hard drive location they are in. In the drag and drop dialog, select sticker. This will automatically create the sticker and enables surface mode in the move tool so you can slide the sticker around. First thing we usually want to do is define the real size of the sticker. In this case we know they are 10 centimeters tall, so we type in this value and use the Fit to Bitmap button to make sure that the proportions of the sticker match our image. We move the sticker around in surface mode until we're happy with their position on the bottle. Next we change the projection, since we are working on a cylindrical surface. Cylindrical projection uses a radius, which we must set to match the dimensions of the bottle. When we are done we must accept the Move Floating panel and then we can hide the sticker gizmo to tidy up the render view. Now we can select the sticker material and change it to plastic. Let's place the next sticker using the exact same workflow. We drop the PNG from its hard drive folder. Then we choose sticker in the drag and drop dialog. Adjust its real dimensions. Change the projection to cylindrical, and set a proper radius. We find the right position. Hide the gizmo. And change the material to plastic. For the last sticker we will use the same workflow once more. And this is our scene complete with its 3 stickers. The workflow we've used so far can be sped up with the following shortcuts. Let's start over without stickers. Let's place the first sticker using the original workflow. We drop the PNG on the model. Set its dimensions. Set cylindrical projection. Move to its final position. Hide the gizmo. And change the material to plastic. Once we have this first sticker, and knowing that the other 2 are identical, we can use the clone sticker functionality. Let's select the sticker we just created in the Objects panel. Use right-click to display the context menu and select Duplicate Sticker and Material. Once we have the cloned sticker, let's drop it on the second bottle. The sticker is ready right away. Now all we have to do is drop a new texture on the sticker to change its face. We will do the same for the third sticker. Let's duplicate this one and its material, and drop it on the last bottle. Let's adjust its position and drop the right texture to swap its face. This second workflow makes things even easier and faster when the scene has identical or very similar stickers that can benefit from duplication. This is all for now. See you in the next video. Have fun rendering with Maverick.